Never been good with words, they get lost when you're around. But there's something I've been meaning to say before the night runs out. You're the calm in all my chaos, the soft in every storm. And when you smile it feels like home, like I've known you all along. Just so you know, you're the reason I breathe slow. Every dream I've ever chased ends right here in your face. I don't say it all the time, but you're my heart, my peace of mind. Just so you know, you're the one I've been praying for. I don't need the world to see what's written in my chest. You're the best part of my mornings and my favorite kind of rest. You turn ordinary moments into stories worth the pain. If love's a song, then you're the part that I'd play again and again. Just so you know, you're the reason I breathe slow. Every dream I've ever chased stands right here in your face. I don't say it all the time, but you're my heart, my peace of mind. Just so you know, you're the one I've been praying for. Maybe I don't say much, but you can feel it in my touch. Every look, every sight tells the truth I can't hide. Just so you know, you're the love I can't let go. Every night I thank the skies for the day you came in my life. I don't need fancy words to show, I just need you to know. Yeah. Just so you know.
There's a spark in the dark of your eyes. Every touch feels like a sunrise. The way you whisper my name sets my soul into flame. Can you feel it burn tonight? The rhythm pulls us skin alight. Every heartbeat knows the truth. In the fire of you, hearts on fire, burning slow. Every move a soft echo. Desire dancing, no goodbye, just you and I. Hearts on fire, hearts on fire, hearts on fire, hearts on fire. Your lips trace lines of gold, stories only love has told. Every breath a gentle plea. You're the storm inside of me. The night is young, our pulse is wild. Your touch is fierce, your tender mind. We're flames that never tire, lost in this endless fire. No
Sunlight spills through the blinds, painting your skin. I trace your fingers slowly, let the day begin.
Your hair falls across your face, a little undone. I watch your quiet breathing, and I feel we've won.
No need for words, your presence says it all. In this soft morning light, I catch you when you fall. And I stay here just watching you. The world waits but I don't move. Soft light on your skin, heart next to mine. These quiet mornings, love feels divine. Stay here, don't let it fade. In this soft light, love is made. Drifts across the room, warm as the sun.
We share half-finished stories, coffee never done.
The hum of the city is far away, out of sight. It's just me and you.
In the morning's quiet light,
No need for words, your presence says it all. In this soft morning light, I catch you when you fall. And I stay here just watching you. The world waits but I don't move. Soft light on your skin, heart next to mine. These quiet mornings, love feels divine. Stay here, don't let it fade. Pull us apart,
I'll carry this warmth tucked in my heart.
in every smile, every glance, every gentle sigh, I'll replay forever you and I stay here just watching you. The world waits but I don't move. Soft light on your skin, heart next to mine. These quiet mornings, love feels divine. Stay here, don't let it fade. In this soft light, and I stay here, just stay here. And I stay here. And I stay here just with you. We were strangers for a little while, talking through silence, lost in denial.
But time has a way of calling us home. Even broken hearts find a place to grow.
And I don't need perfect, I just need real. The kind of love I can see and feel. We found us again, after the rain, after the nights we forgot our names. Through all the distance, through all the pain, we found us again. We found us again.
somehow we found us again. After the rain, after the nights, we forgot our names through all the days. We found us again. Every scar became our song. Every wrong turn right where we belong. And if tomorrow fades away, I'll still choose you the same way. We found us again.
After the rain,
After the nights we forgot our names. Through all the distance, through all the pain, we found us again.
we found us again. And when the light comes in, we'll find us again.
Midnight beats and hidden hearts. The silence moves, it pulls us apart. Your eyes ignite a burning flame, and every thought whispers your name. Every breath brings me close to you. The air turns heavy when I see you. The stars go quiet, the night holds tight. We both know what feels so right. In your shadows I get lost. Your scent follows me, no matter the cost. Our desires burn, no need to pray. In your shadows I fade away. Your voice, a storm in quiet tones. Each word chills deep into my bones. Our souls are dancing, no control. Caught inside this endless pool. Your hands are painting on my skin, a promise wrapped in every sin. The world disappears, just us two, and time itself bows down to you. In your shadows I get lost. Your scent follows me, no matter the cost. Our desires burn, no need to pray. In your shadows I fade away. The fire glows spills across your skin. Every touch of fire within. Eyes locked tight, hearts collide. In this glow, there's nowhere to hide. Whispers in the dark, promises untold. Every heartbeat, every touch turn into gold. Moonlit desire, burning through the night. Holding you close, everything feels right. Moonlit desire, your lips against mine. Lost in this moment, lost in time. Moonlit desire, burning through the night. Holding you close, everything feels right. Moonlit desire, your lips against mine. Lost in this moment, lost in time. Soft caresses, a gentle sway. Every kiss takes my breath away. The world fades out, it's just us two. Under the moon, I'm consumed by you. Whispers in the dark, promises untold. Every heartbeat, every touch turn into gold. Moonlit desire, burning through the night. Holding you close, everything feels right. Moonlit desire, lips against mine. Lost in this moment, lost in time. Every sight, a spark in the night. Every glance, the stars ignite. With you, the night's alive and bright. In your arms, everything feels right. Moonlit desire, burning through the night. Holding you close, everything feels right. Moonlit desire, lips against mine. Lost in this moment, lost in time.
Some days we fall, some nights we cry, but somehow love always keeps us alive. You hold my heart when I lose my way. You remind me love's not meant to fade. We're not perfect, no we never were. But your love heals every scar, every word. Through the storm, we still find light. Even when wrong, we try to make it right. I love how you love me, the way you stay. My heart beats for you. Come what may. We break, we bend, but never apart. You're the calm inside my restless heart. let forgiveness drown our fears. You're my home, my forever place. My heart is yours, with no escape. Through the storms, we still find light. Even when wrong, we try to make it right. I love how you love me, the way you stay. My heart beats for you. Come what may. Through the storms, we still find light. Even when wrong, we try to make it right. I love how you love me, the way you stay. My heart beats for you. Come what Come what may. Silk on your skin, moonlight on mine. The world disappears, we're lost in time. Every breath's a melody, slow and sweet. Your heart's the rhythm my soul repeats. The night is breathing soft and slow. Your eyes say things I'll never know. The stars ain't lost, you'll low, just sway. In velvet nights we drift away. Oh, velvet nights, your love's my fire. Whisper my name, take me higher. Heavy touch, a gentle spark. Velvet nights, you own my heart. Velvet nights, your love's my fire. Whisper my name, take me higher. Heavy touch, a gentle spark. Velvet nights, you own my heart. Your fingers trace where shadows lie. We speak in silence, no need to try. Every sigh's a promise made, every heartbeat softly played. Ooh, the world outside can fade to gray. Here in your arms I wanna stay. The dark can wait, don't let it break. Let love be the dream we never wake. Oh, velvet nights, your love's my velvet nights, velvet hearts will never be apart.
The clock strikes 12, the world falls asleep. But here with you, the night is ours to keep. Fingers trace, hearts collide. In the quiet dark, nothing to hide. Every whisper lingers, soft and true. Every heartbeat says I belong to you. Midnight caress, I'm lost in your skin. Every sigh pulls me deeper within. Midnight caress, our souls collide. In your arms I forget the night outside.
Shadows dance as we breathe in sync. Eyes like fire, lips on the brink.
Time dissolves, it's only you and me. A secret world only we can see. Every whisper lingers, soft and true. Every heartbeat says I belong to you.
Midnight caress, I'm lost in your skin. Every sigh pulls me deeper within. Midnight caress,
Our souls collide.
in your arms
I forget the night outside.
let the moonlight guide our hands. Every touch ignites, every kiss expands.
Wrapped in you, world disappears. Only your heartbeat, only your whispers need.
Midnight caress, I'm lost in your skin. Every sigh pulls me deeper within. Midnight caress,
Our souls collide.
in your arms I forget the night outside.